Need to activate your Simple Mobile SIM card? It's easy. Simple Mobile, operating on Verizon and T-Mobile networks, offers a straightforward activation process. You can activate your SIM card either online or via their interactive voice response system. For online activation, head to simplemobile.com/activate, enter your SIM card number, and fill in your personal details. A faster option is to use the Simple Mobile app. Alternatively, call 1-877-878-7904 and follow the voice prompts to input your SIM information and confirm activation. The IVR system now uses AI to help with troubleshooting, making the process smoother. Make sure you have a valid ID like a social security number or driver's license for verification. Activation is available 24/7, so you can get connected anytime. That's how to activate your Simple Mobile SIM card. Once your Simple Mobile SIM is activated, you'll need to configure your APN settings to enable data connectivity. Most modern smartphones will automatically set this up through over-the-air updates, making the process seamless. If manual configuration is needed, here are the APN settings for Simple Mobile. Set the name to Simple Mobile and the APN to Simple. Additional settings include MMSC SMSC at simplemobile.com, MMS proxy to MS3 trackphone.com, and MMS port to 80. These settings may vary depending on whether you're on Verizon or T-Mobile network. The Simple Mobile app can usually auto-configure this for you. Accurate APN settings are crucial for optimal data performance, so double-check that everything is entered correctly. If you're having issues, resetting your network settings or contacting Simple Mobile support can help resolve them. With your APN properly configured, your Simple Mobile device is ready for optimal data connectivity.